Introducing iKuddle, the smart litter box that self-cleans, tells you when your little feline friend leaves a chocolate delight, and auto-packs at your convenience for disposal. The iKuddle knows when your little panther does his dirty business. It uses sensors to detect when and how often they go. After that, a timer starts that self-cleans the litter, removing only clumps and auto-packs into a small bag, which is super convenient and saves money. When ready, simply press the auto-packing button on the litter box or the convenient iKuddle app, which notifies you when the bag is full. Ever walk by a litter box that smelled like ammonia and your mother's disapproval? The iKuddle is great for multiple cats and comes with a deodorizing system that filters out the smell of your cat's butt truffles and eliminates odors, keeping your home smelling fresher than cookies coming out of the oven. Delightful. The iKuddle app monitors how often your baby tiger visits the iKuddle litter box and collects data that displays on your app. Unlike most self-cleaning litter boxes, the iKuddle's modular design allows you to detach the components for easy cleanup. It has a built-in lithium-ion battery that lasts for 15 days, or plug-in cable that lets you use it practically anywhere. Simba, you silly little lion, not there. Back us today and be one of the first ones to get the iKuddle, so you never have to scoop your cat's Tootsie Rolls ever again.
Traditional cat litter boxes are not a good choice to avoid odors and litter tracking, and are very inconvenient to use in daily busy life. Most automatic cat litter boxes are so expensive, so we created Igloo, an affordable modern cat litter box with fully automatic and fully enclosed design. Igloo initiates a 90-second cleaning cycle that funnels all wastes into a tightly sealed receptacle. All you have to do is to discard the waste bag once in a while. You will never have to scoop again. You can choose from 3 different working modes. For most convenience, you can use the fully automatic self-cleaning mode within an hour after the cat left. For individual use, you can control Igloo through the app. And if you don't want to get disturbed, you can use the quiet night mode. The soft silicone footstep can reduce litter tracking and spillage. With Igloo, you can always keep your home fresh and clean. Safety for your cat is most important. If a cat enters the device during cleaning process, the device will immediately stop cleaning and only continue to work after the cat has left. Through the app, you can connect with Igloo wherever you are, keep records, and even could receive notifications after your cat has used the litter box. Igloo is easy to use and makes life more convenient for you and for your cat, so please support us and back us today.
Wow, that's my girl. She sent this Lavviebot for me. Lavviebot is the most intelligent IoT cat litter box ever. Once your cat does its own business in the box, Lavviebot waits the certain amount of time you set and cleans the waste automatically up. Plus, if you fill the storage up with litter, Lavviebot refills the litter automatically. So for 3 weeks max, you are totally free from the mess. My girlfriend connected Lavviebot to the app. Look at her, she's checking her cat on her phone. How smart! Lavviebot also monitors your cat's bowel movement. That can be helpful for your pet doctor, right? And it's going to be compatible with more devices to make you way more convenient. Auto clean, auto refill, and even monitoring your cat. Wow, that's the stuff. Now it's time to say goodbye to your scruffy servant life. With Lavviebot, you and your cat couldn't be happier.
Calcivirus. main cause for our cat's upper respiratory infection. Leads to fatal disease such as caudal stomatitis, resulting in loss of appetite. Solution. The plasma module removes bacteria, viruses, and mold, improving air quality and eliminating odor. Designed to know when your cat enters and exits, CATGLOO has the most efficient way of separating litter and waste through a rotary separation system, which automatically removes waste upon use. Designed for the convenience of not only our cats, but also the cat owners. Completely washable, creating a pleasant environment. The cylinder-shaped main body provides ample space, allowing for a comfortable environment. The rear flap automatically opens and closes during rotation to remove waste into the waste compartment. Companion for life. CATGLOO Automatic Cat Litter Box.
Say hello to Footloose, the amazing automatic litter box and feline health tracker. Its rotating chamber gently sifts out clumps, preventing them from clogging or breaking off into debris. Once all the droppings are gone, the unused litter is cycled back into the chamber, ready for next time. This whole process takes just 90 seconds. And as for the odor, what odor? The waste receptacle is airtight and equipped with internal filters that control the smell. Smells like world domination. And when the waste receptacle is full, Footloose even sends you an alert. Just remove the bag, throw it away, and that's it. Cleaning all the devilish droppings delicately defecated by your cat is now easier than ever. No more searching, shoveling, or sifting. What used to be a 10-minute daily chore now takes 2 minutes a week. But Footloose is more than just a litter box. It can also be a lifesaver. Cats often hide their pain, making it difficult to detect health problems. Luckily for you, potty behavior is a telltale sign that something's wrong. Footloose uses weight sensor to detect which cat is using it. It collects important data like when it happened, how long it took, and how much. Holy moly, Mr. Noodles. 10 visits to the box and no urine? Time for the vet. Ever since I upgraded to Footloose, I've got so much free time, I can finally finish my album.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.